let's go, dear friend. Now we will uh, teach you how to you download this in short pre-editing video editor. Just we have to do this thing that I am doing. You need to search OpenShot on Google bar. Here will be your apps, and that's it. These are is good than others. I think every pre-editing website is good. This website is also available for three types. There is our Linux, there is our Windows, and there is our Mac. For three users, every user can use it also. So let's show how to download. You click on download option, and let's see, I have a Mac OS, and that is my download option, and I will download it, and it is starting download. If you use Linux, then you can also download it from Linux source, and also you can, if you user of Windows, you can also download the Windows version. It depends on you and your system. That is so. After downloading, we will open it and show you some video editing, how to use it, and it's so easy, and it's so simple format of editing. It's have also, it is so good than others. I think I'll show you how to edit soon. Okay, friend, after you're downloading, here's my download. It's downloaded already. Now we will open it. And that's how we will make it. So we edit here. Just a minute. It will not take a few minutes. Just I have internet issue. That's why it's doing late actually. Oh, that's it. And let's see. And that is our video editor, OpenShot editor. We're opening it now, and I will show you something of editing by that. Yes. And now it's opening. For actually for first time, it will take a few minutes for opening. Now let's open. There is everything that you can edit a video from there. and now we are adding these options to our to show you how to edit with that. Let's go. That is the project. You have to add your project for editing from there actually. This is the option to like that. If I want to edit this video, it's my welcome video, but I will not be editing this one not also. I think this one is open. Now it's opening, bro. That is actually the video, and you can add everything from there. If you want to add the audio from there, use it. Audio, now you can also add audio from there. If you have music and other things, I still know. And there is the options that you have that you can use, and this option will be will make you video editing so easy. That's why you can you can use it, these apps, and that is also free. In the first video I have discussed about the BDSC, and this also another one. In the next video I will show you another one, free website or app for video editing, and hopefully you are enjoying this. So dear, bye. See you in next video.